The Realme P3 Ultra 5G is a premium smartphone that combines powerful hardware with a sleek, modern design. It features a large 6.83-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with a crisp 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultra processor, it delivers excellent performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. The phone supports up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring ample space and speed for demanding users. Its camera system includes a 50MP Sony IMX896 sensor with optical image stabilization and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, capable of capturing high-quality photos and 4K video at 60 frames per second. The massive 6,000 mAh battery, paired with 80W fast charging, provides long-lasting usage with quick top-ups. Additionally, its IP69 rating ensures top-level protection against water and dust, making it both powerful and durable, a compelling choice in the high-end Android space.